Slipped and fell 3 times. Safely made it back to the vehicle. Didn't fall in the pond. That's a win. All right, beautiful, overcast, drizzly, rainy day. Checking up this project. Ryan and Jose just finished. Existing water feature here. Ripped about 75% of it out and rebuilt it. Had a bunch of leaks. Not the most attractive thing in the world. Completely overgrown with plants. It's the end of the season now, so we'll be putting new aquatic plants back in the spring. But check it out for now, bruh. Alright, so just here 20 minutes ago. Had the wrong settings on my camera. So now I'm back to take all my photos again. Luckily, only about 5 minutes away from the shop. Listen to that sound. Sounds amazing. Favorite time of year. Leaves is falling down. In the renovation, most of this rock we reuse. It was already here existing. Brought in a couple of new boulders and stuff. A little bit smaller than I typically like. I like the big rounder boulders, but still looks pretty sharp. And everything's soaking wet from all the rain we've had the last couple of days, so if you luck out, might get some nice footage of me falling in that pond down there while I'm trying to crawl around on all these rocks. See. Show you a couple pictures right here what this thing used to look like before we redid it. You can see it now, and then be back in the spring once we get it all planted up and get the aquatic plants in there, fishies in there, all that good stuff. Peace.
Like me, if you do, please say.